This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Austria-Hungary collapsed. We'll explore the complex interplay of internal and external factors that led to the dissolution of this major European power. Understanding these reasons helps us grasp the profound changes that reshaped Central Europe. We'll look at the empire's diverse peoples, the impact of a devastating global conflict, and the ultimate fragmentation into new nation-states. Let's dive into the history of this fascinating and ultimately doomed empire. The empire was a mosaic of nationalities, including Czechs, Poles, Croats, Serbs, and Romanians, among others. The dual monarchy structure, established in 1867, granted Hungary near-equal status with Austria. This arrangement, however, inadvertently intensified calls for similar rights from other ethnic groups, creating persistent internal strife. The central government struggled to manage these competing demands, leading to a gradual erosion of its power and cohesion from within. This made the empire inherently unstable. World War I proved to be the final blow. The Austro-Hungarian army, already facing internal divisions, endured catastrophic defeats and staggering casualties. The war effort drained the empire's resources, leading to widespread starvation and economic collapse across its territories. As the war progressed, the Allied powers strategically supported the independence movements of various ethnic groups, further destabilizing the monarchy. This external pressure, combined with internal decay, pushed the empire to its breaking point. By late 1918, the empire was in full disintegration. Emperor Charles I formally stepped down, marking the end of centuries of Habsburg rule. The Treaty of Saint-Germain-en-Laye and the Treaty of Trianon legally formalized the empire's dissolution, recognizing the new nations that had declared independence. These included the First Austrian Republic, the Kingdom of Hungary, Czechoslovakia, Poland, and the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats, and Slovenes, later Yugoslavia. And for making your own meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for these leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.